Welcome, in front of me I have Honor 9X Pro, and today I will show you how easy you can clean your USB-C charging port. So at the first you have to prepare some kind of the thin object. You can also use any other household item. And right now I will zoom the camera to show you how it looks inside. It's not that bad, it will be really fast. So as you can see here, we can spot some kind of the mess inside. I think that it's probably dust. So let's grab our object and then put it inside. Do it slowly, don't break anything. As you can see, here is also something, so let's go. Do it gently. Okay, and here we got another one. Let's take a look if there's something else. No, everything's fine. So, as you can see, it was very fast, and that's how you can clean your USB-C charging port in Honor 9X Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!